So hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. This is a complete market update, so guys stay with me till the end of this video. And if you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now, and it's completely for free. And you get what? You get trade like this. In the meantime, I shared this trade with my members. This is also I shared it on Twitter as well. And you guys can exactly see this full TP is hit right now, and this is the trade. Basically, we long this area when we were trading right here. Those who are in my Discord, technically I missed this shot. This is a deviation of the range, retest, and then dip. This was an entry, this was a SL, but we missed that shot. But then I told my members when we were ranging right here, I did not open any single position. I told my members that we can test exactly 94k to 93.5k. You guys, anybody who's following me knows this, right? That we are definitely, like I was talking about this zone. So we tapped this zone. I entered at first $94,000 and then another around this level 93.5. So this was my entry. Both of the entries were hit, and the low was exactly tapped around 93.3k. So from this is where I shared the trade when we were right here. You guys can exactly see this. This was the trade I shared with my members, and this was the trade basically, and all TPs are hit on this trade as well. Looking forward, we will talk about BTC dominance, this Ethereum trade as well. I also called out this Ethereum trade with my members and a lot of other trades in my premium community as well. We will talk about every single thing. So guys, let's get going. But before every single thing, guys, make sure to join my Discord. So guys, very simple stuff happening. This was the range low zone. So basically we are ranging right now. This is a long zone, this is a short zone. We got a rejection here, rejection here, a rejection here. So we are again getting some sort of, like, we cannot break above this zone, but we are trading below this resistance zone. So there is a chance we can break it, but we haven't seen any candle closing above this range high. You guys can exactly see this. This is one of the things that you guys must analyze it personally. Now I will talk about why this is happening. I have shared this chart way back as well. Again, the same time we got a rejection right here. I shared this chart. So guys, the thing is very simple right here. This is the supply, this is the demand, and we are continuously ranging right here. I will also talk about this on the daily time frame as well, but right now this is very important. Basically, this is the supply right here, and this is the demand, right? Now we longed here, we close the trade right here. What's next? Very simple, right? Very simple. Either we flip this level, then the price go for this range high, or either we get a rejection again and come back to this range. Do you guys understand me? I hope some music is not loud and I am audible to you guys. Very simple. We got a rejection here. Now either we will reject back into this area, or either we will flip back to take this range high. Very simple. This is simple supply zone. Do not long right now, because a lot of guys are forming right now. Do not long. Another thing, I will show you a few of my premium trades with my premium community, guys. You guys are not joining my premium community, like you guys are missing this of the stuff. Very simple. So guys, few days back I opened, like in the meantime I also called out this short position or long position on BTC in the premium Discord. All TPs hit on this trade as well. This is the premium trade. I told my members that this is my premium trade, right, on Ethereum. I can definitely show you this. This is the Ethereum trade. I last time long here, full TP here, again came, again we longed, and we are definitely running in good profits. I told them same setup, and this is how it played out perfectly. We are waiting for this full TP. Very simple. So it's very simple, guys, very simple for Ethereum as well. Last time we got a rejection from this range high. I will full TP this trade as well, and maybe 75% of the TP. If we try to break out and hold above, we can push the price back to this level. This is very simple to understand. Like, this is where you can get, like, where to enter, where to not enter. Simple as this, right? And I guess I'm disconnected to my internet. So this is very simple. And secondly, if you talk about dominance is very important right now. Very important is dominance. Why dominance is very important? Just because, like last time, if you guys remember, when dominance break below, this is very simple symmetrical triangle. I was following up on dominance, and I told you guys we had a bearish retest of this dominance, and then the price starting to push to the downside, and right now the price is again rising. That's why when BTC recovered from 94 to 98k, alts haven't recovered yet, and it is also a very risky situation. Why it's a risky situation? It's a risky situation. That's why, because dominance is I'm just fed up of this ads and stuff. So we already had a rejection from the support, that is at 61 and a half whatever percent. So there is a big thing which you guys must understand, big theory of mine, and I'm very scared of this thing. What is basically this? The basic point of me saying all of this stuff is we are ranging. Let me tell you another thing right here. Let's get to the daily time frame so you guys can definitely understand it in a good way. So guys, this is a daily order block right here. This is the daily order block right here. Right? We had a first candle closing into this daily order block. First daily candle closing into this order block. Things are looking little bit bullish, but not a very bullish thing. Right? And secondly, if I show you another thing, this is also the thing which we have to look after. Right? There is a resistance in between. I told you there is a resistance. First of all, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, almost like 10 attempts, and we haven't break this daily order block yet. I kept on talking about this daily order block from a very long period of time. The big thing is this breakout and then going above this area, the best thing that can happen. At the meantime, dominance, so the dominance breaking to the downside, BTC going to the upside, and alts can definitely recover. If Ethereum breaks this level, Ethereum will push the price. The next resistance is $130 to $3,100. Very important next resistance. In between, we do not have much area. So this is for Ethereum. For BTC, what I want to tell you guys very importantly, that is the thing that we need a breakout above this area. But the meantime, what I'm scared of is that BTC get a rejection from this level. and we go down, because this liquidity is still not taken yet. Right? Whatever you can say. Why I am scared? I'm not scared because of BTC. BTC can break any single movement. But the scary thing is dominance. Why? Because there is a big liquidity to the upside on dominance, and dominance is still looking good. This was let me show you. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, whatever. Something like this is happening on the lower time frame. The structure is definitely broken right now. Higher low is holding, so thing is little bit scary on the BTC dominance. I have exams, you guys know this. I may not be that much active in the recent times, but what if I'm not active, I'm doing what? This is the Ethereum trade in the premium Discord. Ethereum trade I showed you, almost about a full TP BTC scalp. It's in front of you guys. Another trade, this is my VIP trader called out this setup right here, and it's in profits. Secondly, this is my AVAX long position. I shared it with my members. This is AVAX long position days back, and this is also a Jupiter trade as well, 91.93, and this is also running in good profits. This is yesterday BTC long position of my VIP trader called out this long position, and is definitely again in profit. This is Jupiter, this is AVEX, guys, definitely in a good profit right here. We long right here. This is also a premium call. So these are the premium call. If you guys are not joining my premium Discord, these are the subscriptions given right here. You will send the subscription amounts to the wallets given right here. You will send the subscription amount to the wallets given right here, and you guys will be added into the premium Discord. This is how to join my premium Discord and to trade with me, and these are the trades. We trade every single day, guys. So secondly, as expected, I told you guys, so on the lower time frames, the dominance is breaking out, and as the dominance is breaking out, I feel if we go for this imbalance, alts will get wrecked very badly. Talking about Ethereum had this big imbalance right here, which is not yet filled, right? Which is not yet filled, and we are ranging above this imbalance. We are not, like, if we are ranging right here, then it was a good sign. A good breakout is a big push to the upside. This is a good ranging, but we are ranging above the imbalance. So you guys must understand, if we are ranging above the imbalance is still not filled, and if it's not filled, guys, come on, if it is not filled, then something is not good, and if something is not good, then what's the point? The point right here is, sorry guys, so the point right here is that the imbalance is still not yet left, and if the point right now I want to make is that if dominance start to push to the upside, and the next thing, what will happen? ETH will definitely fill the imbalance. If ETH fill this imbalance back to this area, it will get wrecked. Every single thing will get wrecked. The maximum thing right now, like in simple words, if I say, in very simple words, if I say, I will say this: ETH push it all the way up to 100k or something, get a rejection. At the meantime, ETH push it back to this area, 3k to $3,100. This is the next area. The same thing, like this is where BTC got a rejection. This is where BTC get a rejection, and at the meantime, this is where dominance will fill this imbalance. At the meantime, this small push, and then later on ETH will dip down. At the meantime, dominance again start rising, and BTC showing weakness, dipping to the downside right here. Dominance going up, and Ethereum from this going down. This is the max pain, and then after that maybe recovery or whatever. That's the later on part of this thing, of this market. But right now this is happening. So guys, be prepared, because dominance is not, I personally think the dominance is not going to be cooling off soon, and this is something which is not good, right? This is something which is not good, and I hope so you guys are still with me till the end of this update, and you guys can exactly see this. We are breaking out right now. Once we start to break above 61.5%, then definitely the price can push even further up. So this is something which is happening right now. I personally don't like this, but there is a big situation that can happen right now. And secondly, if you talk about BTC, I will again wait for this sort of a deviation, bearish retest, short here, SL here, simple deviation. This is a deviation, bearish retest, and then push to the downside. This is what I personally expect. Like if I want to short, I will short this, simple. And as long as we are ranging, this can happen. Very simple stuff, very simple stuff. A deviation, a bearish retest, and then the price push to the downside. Very simple. If not, then I'm expecting next area to be 100k, and once we push that area, I will see a weakness or something, and then we can definitely look for some shorter whatever. But right here, if I show you on the 4-hour time frame, there are different wicks. As I told you, this would be our important area, very important area, and there's also some sort of an order block right here as well. Right, so we got a rejection here, so we can expect a good rejection from this area. From now, there is nothing a good structure which is forming right here. Some sort of 4R SFP is forming, but not a very healthy structure, or not a very loose structure to short. This is update on BTC. This was update on BTC dominance. This was update on Ethereum. And if you guys are not in my Discord, guys, only God can help you with these small subscriptions. I hope it makes sense to you guys. So guys, as always, until next time, take care of yourself.